Andyan na yung tagay. Not acting. Saan ba niya? Uy, lagi na. Emperor Light. I am Bernard de la Cruz. In Spanish, mi nombre es Señor Bernard de la Cruz y Coraza. Mi amigo, Promis Timor, Dili Timor, Crisostomo Ibarra, no, Ibarra is no limit. El filibusterismo. La solidaridad.
Yan ang epekto ng alak.
I will introduce my friend, mi amigo Crisostomo da Costa from Timor. This is Timor. The place I will visit in April, my birth month. This is from Roa City. This is from Panay Island. Panay Dalalanan.
The 10 Bordeans.
Panay Island. Panay Dalalanan. This one.
Epekto ng alak.
Alder Tagay. Yeah. Puro Tagay. Adik. Adik din Emperador Light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Master. This is Nobelino. Vino da Tabola Red Table Wine in English. We are talking business right now. And we are talking about making franchise of Uno Business Center in East Timor. And that is the reason why we are drinking Matador. This is the first one we drink. And we are already drunk. And they said that Emperador Light is very light, and that's the reason why we ended drinking this bottle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Emperador Light and 1 Vino de Tabola. We are only 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one who is taking the camera and the biggest, we are 5. You see this? This is our, what do you call this? Chaser. Chaser means running for something. Chaser. Our chaser is our very own Frank juice. Mangosteen combination with goji berries. You see this? It's still okay. Yes. Still okay. Like saying
Ba't puro prime juice? In-introduce Emperador.
And after this, we will drink coffee, 8-in-1 coffee. Yes, the greatest ever coffee in the universe. Yeah, correct.
So that's the secret. You drink, but you're not drunk.
Yes, we drink, but we are not drunk. If we drink, we drunk. Come on! What is... Did you study? That is the right grammar. Mamel. Now, I will Philip Morris, the number one figure in the world.
So where's your friend?
Government warning us. Government warning. Smoking kids. I'm very, very afraid smoking. Why? Because of ultimacy. And the crypto or that. When you take crypto, that is like Superman. That's color green. Green is the luckiest color of this 2011.
Yeah.
Come on, join us. Enjoy the night. Oh, enjoy the morning.
It's already 1 o'clock.
Almost 2, man. James Bond. Tomorrow never dies. Ninong, tomorrow never ride back. Yeah, that's right. That's really right. Put that on Facebook. For them to see on the preaching session. That guy is very innocent.
It's innocent.
That guy, there, listen.
Sige, go.
To all my Philippine fans out there. What's the... To all Filipino people out there watching my videos, this year is the luckiest year for Trojan family.
Yeah.
More cars to have, more condos and house and lot, more money to earn, right? And we have abundant life. Yeah. What is that? Pandesal?
It's indoors uno.
Okay.
Oh.
Uno. What is uno? Unlimited network of opportunity, building people, building business.
Invite all people.
Ortigas Avenue, Barangay Wakwak. Ah! Mandaluyong City.
Invite all people to Uno.
Cheese. Charlie Apodaca, member of Magdalo. Now, Magdala.
Magdala.
Invite bukas. Puro na lang forma. Kailangan marami tayo pera. Oh, don't talk in Tagalog. I have a guest from Timor. He is Tumurente.
Yeah.
We are so lucky.
Invite people to join Uno.
Grabe. Oh, that is... Oh, what is
that, a bat?
No, it is Batman. Batman, where's Batman? Hey, Robin. The Green Lantern is sleeping. To all Filipino people out there and the people of the universe, use Uno products. Look at me, I'm 64 years old. But I look like 23.
Yes.
Because of Filipino, because of Uno products. This guy, look at him. Very eyes. You can see me. This guy is suffering from nervous breakdown.
Under rehabilitation program.
He is now residing at Mandaluyong inside.
Inside.
But because of ultimacy, he's now better. Look at him.
Outside, Mandaluyong.
Now outside Mandaluyong.
Yeah.
This guy, am I right? He's a gorilla.
Came from
Came from the forest of the safari, Africa.
Africa.
Use for the product. Number one.
Yeah.